Hello, this is Raju Sharma with Wall Street Profit. Today is Friday, August 8th. Market's closed. It's about 5 o'clock. Just wanted to give a quick rundown of what we talked about yesterday. IWM, we had a breakout of this bullish triangle. I made these lines a little thicker because on the videos, the prior two videos, it couldn't be clear enough. So we talked about yesterday that this red bar that opened below the open of the day prior, having a negative bias that could have made a couple of days of consolidation or pullback in price or time. Instead, we had a very bullish trend day today, totally negating this red bar, no follow through to this red bar. The same way when this uptrend started, these red bars that did not go anywhere. Red bar, green bar right back, red bar, green bar right back, another red bar that did not have any follow through, as opposed to when you're going down, none of these green bars had any kind of follow through. Green bar just getting smacked right back. And exactly the reverse here. And currently the target, like we talked about, is $74 on the IWM. And if triangles usually are in the midpoint of a move, maybe we might be looking at about $76 of the previous high on the IWM. The SPYs finally managed to break above 129.20. The same situation here where you had no follow through to any of these red bars, and finally broke out. So the trend on the SPYs is now up, and we're looking for a possible retracement of this down move from the peak in May to the bottom of July, and a 50% retracement would come to about 133.5. And if I had to project the width of this consolidation, we're going to come to about 136, 137 area, which is right where the 200 EMA on the daily is. We just don't want to get too carried away and think that we're going to see a bull market start all over again, where in the summer doldrums and moves could get erased pretty quick. But for now, the move seems to be in the path of least resistance, which is up, and we will follow that trend as long as it stays. And once it changes, we'll take the appropriate actions. The Qs, the strongest of all three. Inside bar yesterday, no follow through going down or sideways. Very bullish day. The target is still $48, and I've drawn a trend line on the weekly on the Qs just to give a picture of where we could be, and that number comes to around the same number on the daily, about $49 if we get through to 48. This would be the next area of reference, about $49, the last pivot area. We will see if we can get that high, but for now 48 doesn't seem too far away. On the hourly, most markets are extended, but the hourly is a beautiful uptrend. Some may say it's a power trend on the 60, and as long as the 20 EMA on the 60 holds, every dip is viable. Once we make a lower low and or a lower high, we'll have to watch on the daily what kind of setup that brings. That's all for today. Hope everybody have a good weekend. Good night.